they don't gatekeep the sneakerhead community. Okay, so kung pwede lang po, bilangin niyo yung mga tao pumapasok sa shop ninyo. Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to talk about three things. First up, we're going to unbox this brand new Air Force One that I picked up a couple of days ago over at Nike in BGC. Number two, we're going to talk about the one and only DJ Big Boy Cheng. This shirt came from him. Actually, this is the Secret Fresh, I think, Tokidoki collaboration shirt. And number three, I'll share with you the one thing that's preventing me from losing more weight effectively. This based on my discussions with my personal coach. O, diba exciting ang episode natin today? Feeling ko exciting. Let's go. Now, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you need to do so today because our draw for the Starbucks Undefeated Tumblers happens this weekend. It happens this Saturday. So make sure na nakasubscribe kayo. Make sure that you click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics of our giveaway. And to those who are joining, good luck. Okay, so as promised, we'll kick things off with unboxing of this brand new Nike Air Force One. This is the Nike Air Force One South Korea. So akala ko actually I ran out of pairs because this was initially a raffle, I think, from Titan. But fortunately, it was just sitting on shelves over at Nike BGC. So it comes in your typical gray Nike Air Force One box. I kind of prefer the black box over this one. Pop it open, ba-bam! It really screams South Korea. I mean, only the Koreans, well, not only, but Koreans would really love, I think, the mix of colors, the pop of colors that you have right here. So anyway, so as you can see, the right pair has some sort of like ice blue outsole and theme. The outline of the swoosh is also the similar color, laces as well. Left pair, which has a bright pink theme, pink laces as the accent. You have the pink outline along the swoosh, and you have that icy pink outsole as well. Now, in terms of design, this was actually, I think, supposed to be for the Summer Olympics. Ginawa siya ni Nike for that. And if you take a look at the design elements, this one is actually the logo of the South Korean basketball, soccer or football team. And then if you take a look at the back, you have the South Korea logo over here. O, di ba, panalo. I think the stripes have something to do, tiger stripes or something have to do also with the team. And you also have that same design, blue and pink on the insole. Now, it also has a lacing option na mas malinis. It has some sort of like flat white lace with blue, icy blue or pink accents at the very end, lace tips. So it just depends on what you want to do when you wear it. So in terms of on feet, I was able to put it on and wear it yesterday, and it is like your typical Air Force One. It is comfortable. Panalo naman siya isuot. And the style is something that will really turn people's heads because it's not every day naman that you see people wearing mismatched laces, no? And mismatched color themes on both pairs. So ultimately, it depends on how you want to wear it. If you want it more subtle, then obviously you can wear with the white laces. But if you want something fun, then you keep it as is with the mismatched ice blue and the bright pink on the other pair. This one I think sold for a little over 6,000 pesos. They still have a couple of pairs in smaller sizes. Actually, I'm not sure. Basta meron pa silang size over at Nike in BGC. But take note lang that sometimes that shop can be crammed with people. Ang suggestion ko lang, if there are people watching from that Nike shop over at BGC in today's episode, kung pwede lang po, bilangin niyo yung mga tao pumapasok sa shop ninyo. Kasi when I was there, it was really filled with a lot of people. And despite all of us wearing face masks, I think it's still very dangerous. So I would strongly recommend the management of Nike BGC to implement stricter rules on letting people inside their shop. In comparison, if you check out Soul Academy, they only allowed like 5 people in at any given time, then you have to line up outside. So ang request ko lang po, para sa ikabubuti ng mga customer natin, kung pwede po, bilangin natin at ilimit natin yung number of people going inside the shop at any given time, okay? So again, guys, this is the Nike Air Force One, South Korea. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, so ang next topic natin, like what I mentioned earlier, is DJ Big Boy Cheng. Why is DJ Big Boy Cheng a topic? Because if you don't know, DJ Big Boy Cheng just put the Philippines on the world sneaker map by guesting on one of the most famous sneaker shows online, which is full-size runs. Ayan si DJ Big Boy Cheng, how Big Boy Cheng became the Philippines' biggest sneaker collector. Apart from being the biggest sneaker collector, I think he's also the biggest art collector, art toys collector, and I would also call him to be one of the biggest supporters of Filipino creatives and Filipino artists. Sobrang saludo talaga ako kay Big Boy. I just want to tell you guys one quick story about Big Boy. And this me honoring you, Bigs. Kung nanonood ka man, I'm super, super appreciative of you, bro. Yung sneaker scene kasi, I got into it late. So I didn't get into it like in the early 2000s, and I don't consider myself like an OG sneakerhead. And some people have a problem with that, especially those who came before me. What I love about Big Boy and his gang and his group is that they're just so welcoming. They don't gatekeep the sneakerhead community. They don't gatekeep the toy community. They don't gatekeep the art community. See, ang goal ni Bigs is for everybody to enjoy, for everybody to be part of the community, and for everybody to find their own voice and their own space in this big community that we have. And it's that welcoming tone which has made him so loved by a lot of people in the scene. And that's what I appreciate about him so much. Na he was so welcoming, na he was so supportive, and he was just really there for a lot of people, be it artists, creatives, sneakerheads, YouTubers. Sobrang blessing si Big Boy. And pwede naman siya maging mayabang, pwede naman siya maging exclusive, pwede naman niya sabihin sa lahat ng mga tao na pumipeke lang yan, or walang pakialam yan, or user lang yan, or whatever. But he's not. He's a really good, genuine guy. And I just want to take this opportunity. Bigs, whatever success you are reaping today, you deserve it. Bro, I'm super proud of you, super happy to call you a friend, and I wish you more success. Not more interviews to come, more guestings to come, and more stuff to come for you and Secret Fresh. Bro, God bless you. Okay, and our third topic today. So, as you guys know, if you didn't watch my fitness update, sinusubukan ko magpapayat. And I started, I think, mga 2 months ago, and I'm down 15, 16 pounds, but it started to slow down. Ngayon, I have a personal coach who functions both as my nutritionist, workout guy, as well as overall, I don't know, like coach, motivational coach. And I've been working with him for the last, I don't know, mga 3-4 weeks. And we are tracking everything. Sobrang data-driven tong process namin. We're taking a look at, sabihin natin, my steps, my physical activity, my food intake. We're taking a look at the different types of food that I eat. We're taking a look at the exercise, the strength training, measuring everything from weight loss to measurements, to pictures. As in, intense siya, guys. Super intense. Sakit nga ng katawan ko ngayon kasi we worked out yesterday. Now, ang interesting lang nung napag-usapan namin yesterday, and I wanted to share it with you guys in today's episode. So I was wondering kasi kung bakit kahit konti na lang kinakain ko at kahit nag-workout kami ng bongga 3 times a week, bakit ang bagal na ng weight loss? And nung tinignan namin yung tracker ko, ang napansin namin, sobrang baba kasi ng usual physical activity because of the lockdown. In short, the number of steps that I do every day is less than, averaging around 3,000 to 4,000, which is not ideal. Kasi nga, di ba, ang ideal is dapat mga 8,000 to 10,000 steps. So, yun yung problema. Kahit nagka-calorie deficit, kahit may workout, yes, pumapayat, pero it's not as much as you would want it to be. So, ang goal is for me to ramp up the steps consistently and hopefully do like 6, 7, 8, or until we reach the goal of 10,000 steps daily. And that's why this is the watch that I've been wearing every day. In case hindi nyo napansin, this is the G-Shock Mud Master, I think. And the great thing about this particular watch is, apart from being a really kick-ass durable watch that looks nice, it has my colors, black and orange, is that it actually connects to your phone because it has a built-in pedometer. So it counts my steps. So hindi ko na kailangan magsuot ng Fitbit sa kanang kamay or Apple Watch. I have a nice-looking, traditional, bulky watch from G-Shock that allows me to track my steps already. So ang ginagawa ko, every day talaga, intentionally now, well, starting a couple of days ago, I've been really working on getting it up to a consistent 10,000 level. Prior kasi to the lockdown, it was so easy to get 10,000 steps. I mean, you're going out, you're going to the office, you're walking around the office. Lalo na ako, I had sometimes to move between buildings. Malayo yung dalawang buildings. Just walking to the other building will net me like 2,000, 3,000, sometimes I think mga 4,000 steps. So it was easy to get to the step goal. Ngayon kasi ang hirap kasi you're just at home and you're worried to go out, right? So, but yeah, anyway, I've been working on that. I've just been more active, just trying to, check if I'm clocking in enough steps, and hopefully that works. And I'll get back to you guys on an update on that particular journey maybe in another week or two. So yeah, yun lang yung gusto ko ikwento sa inyo. We unboxed a new shoe, the Air Force One South Korea. We talked about the one and only Big Boy Cheng. Again, bro, congrats, appreciate you. Milton, kung nanonood ka, I appreciate you as well. God bless you, anti-shoe expert. And of course, we talked about my ongoing fitness journey. Guys, last reminder lang pala, if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time to do so. We're drawing the winner to the Starbucks Undefeated raffle very soon. And lastly, if you missed my review of this, which is the Realme C11, you guys might want to check it out. I'll put the link down below. This is what the phone looks like. What's special about this one, to those who didn't see my earlier vlog, is that it has a pretty decent processor for the price point. This is a phone that sells for less than 5,000 pesos. So kung naghahanap kayo ng telepono for online learning, online schooling, or if you just want a cheap phone for basic gaming, then you might want to check this out. Again, it's the Realme C11, sells for less than 5,000 pesos. I'll put a link down below. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our video for today. God bless all of you. I hope you all have an amazing weekend. And to everybody who greeted me happy birthday in the previous videos, maraming salamat. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, Fresh.
Hey everybody, what's up? How's it going? Hey Carlo, how you doing, my man?
My favorite sneaker pickup during the quarantine period.
And what I have over here is the